What the fuck are you laughing at? Is this funny to you? You're enjoying my pain? Well, do you have any idea what happens next? Do you? Yep. That's right, campers. I die! Anguish, tears, despair, 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 gunshot. I'm a seagull. And then you cry. You cry, or stand up, or whatever, and give a quick little thumbs up or down or non-committal shrug, and I'll be dead after going shithouse crazy, and you'll just prance on your merry way. And no one's life has changed, right? Right, I mean, another play, over and done with, and nothing real has happened. Well, this is just a stupid fucking play. And maybe I don't want to shoot myself in the head. Maybe I want to go on wallowing in self-pitying existential angst from production to production to production to production until the end of time. Maybe I want to go on losing and failing and losing and... Oh. Wait, then where's the catharsis? I mean, this is a play, right? So we've got to have some catharsis. So where's the catharsis? Has anyone seen the catharsis? We didn't forget to bring it. Did we? Can a girl get a little fucking catharsis around here or not?